Kebalai Pribara, Mentang Inepe Jaki Pus, Kibalaj, Kabadai Jongka Central Bank of India, CBI, Arajar Arpusan, Jongki Pus Credit Officer, Te Kelapan Mi Hadu Syajar Teliki Pus Baro, Te Sampai Jakanega Video Hadu Pandakut, Kenang Bapin Sutu Company, Pak Kabayadai Bat Kineki Pus, Ka Central Bank of India Recruitment Arajar Arpusan, Kelakot online application Nakamtaki Post Credit Officer in Mainstream General Banking Bat Kalapan Mi Hadu Syajar Teliki Post Baro Te ya katarik bakadu bakin pedang yaki application Kandai Hadu ka arpu tarik Februari Arajar Arpusan Te kibakwa panapalay yaki niki post Sakamau ha yaka last date Pan submit yaki application Kertang Jongki Post Kadai Credit Officer in Mainstream General Banking Number of Post Syajar Teliki Post Baro Batya Kiniki Post Lapia Ruhalaki Jongki kategori Wise UR Saus Paksan SC Cis Paksan Pau ST Nyupusan OBC Ars Pak Nyupau IWS Cis Pak Teli Post Nang ta ka age limit Yakiniki Post Kadai Arpau Hadu Ulai Post 6 Bat ka age relaxation Bat Lai Senem Yaki OBC San Senem Yaki SC/ST Kandidat Kamut Hadu Lai San Senem Pia Banaplai Bat Sipu Senem Yaki PWBD Nang taka salari lane kacing seu kadai Sau Perajar Sau Spa Prapau Rajar Nyusen Dup Arajar Sau Spa Prapau Arajar Lai Spa Sau Pau Arsen Dupunya Wajar Sispa Andupau Arajar Dup Spa Prapau Nyusen Prap San Hajar Kena Spa Arpau Nang taka essential qualification part degree in any discipline Pidai pendep yaka bachelor hakano-kano ka stream art commerce lane sayan pio banaplay hakano-kano ka university lane ka institute bapi pule bat pidai rupan yo 60% mark bat na kamtaki SC ST OBC PWBD kadai 100% pidai banyo kumno banaplay yakiniki post Interest and eligible candidate may apply online through the Central Bank of India recruitment portal from 30 January to 20 February 2025. Ki candidate kibadon kamon lane kibalong eligible yakini ki post fill up and apply online haka website jongka Central Bank of India. Badia ka website ngan sabuah po ka description below. Nang taka selection process Selection will be through online tests including descriptive test and personal interview. Kandon ka written test, bat kandon ru ka descriptive test, bat ka interview. Pattern of examination English language lipomark, quantitative aptitude lipomark, reasoning ability lipomark, general awareness related to banking industry lipomark, English language letter writing and essay descriptive live mark. After selection of the candidate as above, they have to mandatorily pass the postgraduate diploma in banking and finance PGDBF course of 1 year, 9 months of classroom training and 3 months of non-job training before getting inducted observed in the bank. Hadin kacing cit kepala kadu yaki kandidat kumbala kedau haneng ki haban pendep ya kacing pule kabasis nem kandai benai kacing hikai hakamra kelas batlai benai kacing hikai hakakam swa ban yorung lane penrung haki kam kibadai hapo bang kemud ba pi habadon haki training ya ka training ken ai jing hikai ya pi Padendap keladep tiken sapendung akibang baper. During the course, the candidate must complete the diploma in banking and finance DBF JAIB from IBF. Hakapor bapi pule ki kandidat ki daiban pendap yaka diploma haka banking but finance DBF JAIB na ka IBF. Nang taka application lane kacing seu for SC/ST PWBD women kadai sis pasan pau for general EWS OBC kadai new spa san pau tingkah Tetang kini kecing pentep ha kebayadai bar kini kipos ke belai sibon.